today's episode, where we explore the transformative power of fintech in democratizing investments and making financial markets more accessible than ever before. I'm your host, Your Name, and today we are diving into how fintech is breaking down barriers and ushering in a new era of financial inclusivity. Traditionally, investing in financial markets was seen as a privilege reserved for the wealthy or those with specialized knowledge. High fees, complex processes, and large minimum investment requirements often acted as significant barriers, preventing many individuals from participating. But now, fintech is changing all of that. First, let's talk about how fintech is lowering entry barriers. Fintech platforms are offering low or zero-fee trading options, which means individuals can start investing with minimal capital. Robo-advisors and micro-investing apps enable users to invest small amounts of money, making it possible for anyone, regardless of their financial background, to start building a portfolio. Another major impact of fintech is enhancing financial education. Many fintech platforms provide educational resources, tutorials, and tools to help users understand the basics of investing and make informed decisions. This empowerment is crucial for individuals to take control of their financial futures with confidence. Transparency is also a key factor. Fintech solutions often emphasize transparency, providing clear information about fees, risks, and performance. This transparency helps investors make better choices and fosters trust in the financial system. Fintech platforms are also offering diversified opportunities. From stocks, bonds, and ETFs to alternative assets like real estate and cryptocurrencies, fintech provides access to a wide range of investment opportunities. This diversification allows investors to tailor their portfolios to their individual risk tolerance and financial goals. And let's not forget the role of technology. Advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning are used to offer personalized investment advice, optimize portfolios, and predict market trends. These innovations make sophisticated investment strategies accessible to everyday investors. Fintech's role in democratizing investments is transforming the way people engage with financial markets. By making investing more accessible, transparent, and educational, fintech is empowering individuals to take control of their financial destinies and participate in wealth-building opportunities previously out of reach. As we continue to embrace these innovations, the future of finance looks more inclusive and promising than ever. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Podcast Name. If you enjoyed this discussion, please subscribe, share, and leave a review. Until next time, I'm Your Name, reminding you that the power to shape your financial future is in your hands. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll explore more exciting developments in the world of fintech. Have a great day.